Hi guys! For today's video, but before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Amasha M. Guevar, and for today's video, for today's vlog ay pag-aaralan po natin si Ramos and the GRP and MNLF Final Peace Agreement. Let's watch! So guys, before tayo mag-proceed sa ating final topic about Ramos, ay alamin muna natin kung bakit nagkaroon ng Final Peace Agreement. Bakit nagkaroon ng Final Peace Agreement? So class, kaya po nagkaroon ng Final Peace Agreement dahil ang GRP at ang MNLF ay meron itong hindi pagkakaunawaan or conflict, which is nagsimula ito noong 1946. Mula nang makamit ng mga Pilipino, kapwa nating Pilipino, ang kalayaan mula sa United States or Estados Unidos. So, bago po tayo mag-proceed sa Final Peace Agreement, ay kilalanin muna natin si President Fidel V. Ramos ng short explanation lang po about sa kanya. So, siya po ang ika-12 president dito sa ating Pilipinas. At ayon sa aking research din po ay siya rin ay kilala bilang si Steady Eddie, which is nakilala siya bilang si Steady Eddie dahil sa kanyang determination at mahusay na presidente. At isa rin po siya sa mga leader ng People Power Revolution. At siya rin po ang nagpatalsik kay former President Ferdinand Marcos. At siya rin po ang nagpabalik sa ating demokrasya ng Pilipinas. And now, here na po sa ating final topic. In 1992, Fidel V. Ramos, he was elected as a president. And one of his concern ay magkaroon po ng peace settlement agreement between the armed conflict in Mindanao. Kasama po dito ang MNLF. And ang GRP MNLF ay nagsettle yung agreement nila in 1992 with Nur Miswari. And si Nur Miswari po ay inalukan siya ng position bilang isang chairman of the Southern Philippines Council and Development. And also, Nur Miswari is proceeded to become a official government of election in armed government. So, after po ng two settlement agreement na po yun, which is na-held po ito sa Jakarta at Indonesia noong 1993, 1994, 1995, and 1996. And the Philippine government and the MNLF finally conclude the peaceful agreement and peaceful talk and finally signing off. So, sa ginawa pong Final Peace Agreement in 1996, which is ang pag-implement po ng Tripoli in 1976. Tripoli Agreement. And ang mga witness or mga participant po dun sa Final Settlement Agreement ay ang Organization of Islamic Conference Ministry of Committee. And meron pong 6 na mga iba't ibang organizations po, and ang Secretary of the IOC. So, after this, malalaman po natin kung sino-sino po sila yung mga participant and the witness ng Final Settlement Agreement. Ang agreement po na yun ay nasettle noong September 1996 sa Manila. And ang ito po sila yung mga witness and the mga participants. We have the first one, Ambassador Manuel Tian. He represented the government of the Republic of the Philippines. Nur Miswari, he represented the MNLF or the Moro National Liberation Front. We have the third one, Ali Alatas. He is the chairman IOC Minister Committee of the Six. And now, the last but not the least, Dr. Hamid Al-Gabid. he was the Secretary General of the IOC. Ito yung mga member of the Ministry Committee of the Six. We have the Libya, Saudi Arabia, Somalia, Senegal, Indonesia, and Bangladesh. And yun po yung mga representative, and yun po yung mga final settlement agreement and about Keramos. And I hope in this video you learn and na-understand nyo yung mga pinagsasabi ko dito. And even na verbal is sana po ay nagkaroon din po kayo ng idea and learning sa mga ginawa kong explanation. So, again, my name is Siti Amasha M. Guevar from the College of Public Affairs and Governance, a Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Bye! Thank you for watching!